They told her to give up. You're not good enough. It's impossible. A young girl at her desk, surrounded by crumpled papers, tears welling in her eyes. She failed once. Then again and again. 100 times. Quick montage. Failed auditions, rejected letters, setbacks. But her determination grows stronger each time. But each failure taught her something new. And while others saw her falling, she was learning how to rise. Music shifts, hopeful, brighter tone. On the 101st try, she didn't just succeed. She soared. Big stage. She performs confidently under bright lights, crowd cheering, a tearful smile on her face. Because, sometimes, the difference between failure and victory is simply not giving up.